Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be copying a recipe from a blogger, and this is called spam hack. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys, so just keep on watching. Okay guys, let's start. I have a minced pork in here, but we wanted our pork more ground, so we will be grinding it again. So grab your grinder and grind that pork, and we'll be back after this. Okay. Okay, after grinding all your minced pork in here, just like this, I think this is enough. It's already smooth. Okay, and we'll be jumping on our other ingredients. In one bowl, we'll be mixing our cornstarch, sugar, pink salt, and this rock salt, and white pepper. Just give that a nice mix. Now we will be adding our dry ingredients to our minced pork, okay? And then we will be mixing it properly to incorporate all the ingredients inside our pork. Okay guys, so just continue mixing it, and I wanted to tell you guys that this recipe is from another vlogger. I wanted to try it, and I hope it will come out nice and good as well, and we'll see after. So after mixing all of the dry ingredients with the pork, we will be adding this fish sauce and mix it again, and also this cold water. It says that it will make our spam juicy, so we'll be mixing that also. Okay, so after mixing all of the ingredients together with the pork, now we will be preparing it for steam. So before that, we'll be putting it in our molds, just like so. And then just give that a nice press so there will be no air inside of the pork. So here you go guys, and we'll be covering this with aluminum foil, and then we will be setting it overnight inside the fridge, and tomorrow we'll be back. Okay, after waiting overnight, now it's time to steam our spam. I hope it will come out nicely, so we'll see. We'll be steaming this for 20 minutes. Okay, we'll be back. So there you go guys, after 20 minutes. I'm so excited. Oh my god. We'll be removing from the steamer and we will see. And then I will be steaming my remaining spam because I have this small steamer. But if you got big steamer, you can steam it all at once together. And now for the final, we'll see our spam. Okay. Oh, it's not pink. Where is the pink color? Okay, we'll try to slice it. And we will fry this after. We will see if it tastes like spam or what. It's my first time to make this, guys. I told you I just copied this. So I'm hoping that it will turn out nice also. But the texture is fine. And we'll see. There you go, guys, and it's not color pink. That's what I'm expecting, but we'll see and we'll try to fry it. So we'll try to fry some and we'll taste this spam hack. Okay, and we'll be back after. So it's tasting time, guys. Okay. The taste is just fine, but it's not as smooth as the spam. But it's okay. So I just tried this and I don't know what's the reason why it doesn't come out just like her. But at least I tried. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for taking your time watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click that notification bell for more upcoming videos and you'll get notified. I just want to give a shout out to all my active and loyal members out there. Thank you so much for supporting this channel and subscribe to the channel as well. Their channels is in the description box below. Please subscribe to their channels also, guys. Thank you so much and I hope you'll give this a try. And it's not as perfect as you can see. It's not pink. I don't know why. Maybe the pink salt that I used, but I'm assuring you that the taste is just fine. And then thank you so much, guys, and God bless you all. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye.